Hey guys, I got in from a long drive from California into southern Utah. I had an amazing sunset out in Nevada as we got in, and then on Saturday morning as we were unloading, my neighbor invited us to go do a little rock crawling. As you guys know, I've just recently put on 35s terabytes on the Speed, and we headed out. I was a little nervous, not a big fan of rock crawling, but went ahead and went with him. This is one of the first obstacles we hit. My understanding is this is kind of a medium trail. And this is my neighbor Curtis here on his 2019 1000. And I said, anywhere he can go, we can go. And so we headed on up.
Looks like it's kind of a gnarly hole to start out of. Yeah, that's part of the issue. It's bouncy.
Now, I've ridden out here in Sand Hollow a lot, been down this trail before and around a lot of these obstacles, and with the smaller tires on it, we have had some bumps and hits on the bottom of the car, and I was really surprised with the 35s. We cleared everything. I think the whole day we had one time that we hit anything really firm on the bottom. Some of this riding was a lot slower than I would have liked to have gone, but you know how it is, the slowest guy in the group determines the pace of everyone. We backed up and went to the left, took a little bit easier route. I believe we could have made it up a couple of these obstacles that we didn't complete, but is what I noticed is the hardcore rock crawlers all look like they've been on the roof once or twice, and I just want to keep my stuff nice. Speaking of keeping things nice, this is a brand new Can-Am, and he dropped the front right into a hole there, and up on its side it went. They were able to winch it around and stand it back up and drive it out with almost no damage on it. Cody and I backed up a little bit here to let our guide pass and weren't paying attention and backed one wheel off the edge of a cliff. So we were laughing at our not dying.
He's just taking it nice and easy. That must be his rock crawler without being a rock crawler. Yeah, you'll scrape him. We don't want to hit that. Smash into that. Cleared that, so we're good. Did he go that way and then up?
At this point, we felt like we were sticking straight up, and I chose not to push it. The car was spinning just a little bit and pulling to the left, and that was about a 25-foot straight down drop, and I wasn't interested in putting the car in danger like that. So we backed it down.